Good morning, children. Welcome to a class of English. I'm your English teacher, Mrs. Niyati. So today is our first class. Take out your English readers. First lesson, God is everywhere. Okay, so what does it mean by God is everywhere? Can anyone tell? Yeah, God is everywhere means God is Allah Ta'ala sab jagah par hai. Fine. So our lesson is also about this only. We'll start reading. So students, look into your readers. Don't focus on the camera. Fine. I'll read and you just follow the reading. Put your fingers in your readers. Admiral R.E. Byrd was a great explorer of America. He was the first person to visit South Pole. He passed one winter there. At the poles, the winter is 6 months long. There is no sunlight for months in winter, but there are lingering flashes of color light now and then. These lights are called aurora australis or southern lights. Byrd used to plant sticks on both sides of his path whenever he walked from his camp. These sticks guided him back to the camp. So it's a story of a person. His name was R.E. Byrd. He was an admiral. Admiral means a higher ranking person, a higher post person. जैसे हमारे स्कूल पे प्रिंसिपल है, likewise admiral means a higher rank person. So he was a great explorer of America. Explorer means, what does it mean by explorer? To find out new ways, ईजाद करना, घूमना, that is called as explorer. To find new places. So he was a great explorer of which place? Of America. He was the first person to visit the South Pole. He passed one winter there. So at the poles, the winter is 6 months long. So what are poles? We have studied in our social, right? East, west, north and south. These are called as poles, isn't it? So he was residing in South Pole, south of America. So here in the south of America, the winter is how many months long? 6 months long. So here the winter is 6 months long. So there is no sunlight for winter. Okay. So जहाँ पे विंटर रहता है वहाँ पे सनलाइट नहीं होती है. यूजुअली हमारे यहाँ इंडियन एटमॉस्फेयर में क्या है? इंडिया इज ए सबकॉन्टिनेंट. वी हैव स्टडीड इन सोशल. सो इन इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट इट इज बीइंग स्टेटेड एज अ सीजन इज फॉर 4 months, isn't it? Summer, winter, rainy, autumn, isn't it? 4 months का हमारे यहाँ सीजन होता है. बट इन साउथ other countries it's for 6 months. There are only 3 seasons for 6 months. So in the months of winter, the summer, there is no sunlight. जब winter होता है तो वहाँ पे sunlight नहीं होती. सर्दी के मौसम में usually sunlight नहीं रहती. But there was lingering flashes of color light now and then. So what does mean by lingering? Lingering means लिंगरिंग मीन्स कभी धूप कभी छाँव ऐसा रहता है ना. हल्का हल्का मौसम चेंज होते रहता है. कभी सडनली धूप आ जाती है, कभी सडनली छाँव आ जाती है. तो शेड्स गेट्स चेंजिंग. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज लिंगरिंग फ्लैशेस ऑफ कलर लाइट नाउ एंड देन. These lights are called aurora australis or southern lights. What are these lights called as? Aurora australis. Aurora australis or southern lights. So Byrd used to plant sticks on both sides of path whenever he walked from a camp. So whenever Byrd used to go out of his camp, जब उन्होंने अपने camp से बाहर जाते थे, what does he used to do? He used to plant sticks. These are the sticks. You can see it in the picture here. Yeah, good students. So in the picture we are being shown sticks are being planted by the bird while he is going. So if he gets lost, in case if he gets lost while returning back to his camp, it will be easy for him to follow the sticks, isn't it? हम भी कहीं एक unknown place पे जाते हैं तो we make a landmark, isn't it? कहीं दूर जा रहे हैं तो हाँ ये शॉप है वहाँ पर this or that something, ये mosque है, ये temple है, something other. So what does he do? He used to plant sticks. जो रास्ते से जाते थे वो रास्ते पे he used to put sticks. Okay, as a marking to help him come back to his camp. Okay, so one day what happened? Once bird was about to return from his outing, some of the sticks were blown by a gust of wind. He therefore lost his way. He wandered praying to God all the while. He was tired of walking at last and stopped suddenly. So as usual, every time a bird used to go out for a walk, isn't it? Camp ke bahar he used to go. So once what happened? While he was about to return from his outing, एक बार उन्होंने बाहर गए तब उन्होंने वापस आ रहे थे, तो there was a gust of wind, यानी एक बहुत तेज सी हवा चली, and what happened? He lost his way. बहुत स्पीड हवा चलने से वो जो sticks उन्होंने प्लांट करे थे वो सारे sticks they were blown up. So what will happen? There was no way. He remembered. So he lost his way. He wanted praying to God all the while. He was tired of walking at last and stopped suddenly. So what will he do? Will he stay there only? No. What will you do if you are in case of bird? The first thing we will shout, "Mama, hum rasta bhul gaye," or "Ya Allah, hum rasta bhul gaye," isn't it? We all do this thing. So bird also did that one only. What he did? He started praying to God. Please God, show me the way. Please God, help me come out of this situation. मेरे को ये situation से बाहर निकालो. All this and that. So he was tired of walking and class stopped suddenly. So all the way ये रास्ता वो रास्ता he was wandering and praying to God के help me out. And suddenly he was tired of walking. Right में बहुत थक गए थे and he stopped suddenly. In the moment there was a flash of light. So when he stopped at a place, अभी चल चल के बहुत ज़्यादा थक गए थे and he came at the corner at a certain place and stopped. Fine, like here it's in the picture. So what he did, all the way he was walking and came at the point and stopped there. So what happened? Suddenly there was a flashlight like an answer from heaven. It revealed that he was on the brink of a chasm about 600 meters deep. Had he taken one more step ahead, he would have been a dead man. The timely flash of heavenly light had saved his life. Bird's prayer had not gone in vain. His prayer was answered. He had found God. So here, the moment he stopped, the moment he got exhausted, he got tired, and the moment he stopped, there was a sudden light of flashing. Means जब बारिश पड़ती है तो बिजली कड़कती है ना, suddenly एक light आती है, एक flash आता है. In that flash we can see everything clearly. In a blink of a light we can see everything clearly, है ना? एक suddenly lightning आती है, उसमें हमको सारा दिख जाता है, then it will go off. ऐसी रहती है ना? Right. So it revealed that he was on the brink of a chasm about 600 meters deep. So what is chasm here? Chasm means deep valley. Okay. What is a valley? Already in social we have learnt. Valley is a passage between two mountains, isn't it? एक passage है जो two mountains के बीच में. This passage is called as a valley. So here the bird explorer was standing here at the edge of a chasm, isn't it? यहाँ से Higona would have fallen 600 meters deep. कितने meters deep था ये? 600 meters. Can you imagine 600 meters deep? How much it would be? Can you say? No, we can't even imagine 600 meters deep. Fine. So जैसे कि suddenly light आती है उनको, तो he saw के उन्होंने एक edge पर ठहरे, एक पहाड़ की एक ऐसे edge पर ठहरे जहाँ से one more step would be he would have fell down. एक और स्टेप भी होता है तो he would have fell down. Fine. Had he taken one more step ahead, he would have been a dead man. The timely flash of heavenly light had saved his life. Bird's prayer had not gone in vain. His prayer was answered. He had found God. So एक स्टेप भी अगर आगे लेते हैं बर्ड, तो he would have fallen into the deep valley of 600 meters. So वहां से गिरने के बाद उनके बोन्स भी हमको नहीं मिलते थे. So the timely light, so the timely flash of heavenly light. उन्होंने बिजली को क्या कंपेयर कर रहे हैं? एक heavenly light, जो he thinks कि he was being answered by God. अल्लाह ताला उस टाइम पे लाइट फ्लैश भेजना, लाइट का उनको दिखाई देना आगे गड़ा है. So that all made him believe कि there is God. उनको ये बिलीव हो गया कि God is not there just in the homes, just in the temples, just in the mosque, but God is everywhere. It's not like that कि एक प्लेस पे हम प्रे करते हैं तो God वहीं पर रहता है. No. He is being telling us that God is everywhere. Whenever we call Him, whenever we call Him. Sincere prayers are always answered. We can get help and strength through prayers. Prayers can save us from perils. So sincere prayers, जब हम दिल से दुआ करते हैं, our prayers are all being answered. We can get help and strength through prayers. Prayers can save us from perils. Perils. What are perils? Perils are, can anyone say? Perils are dangers. The word perils means dangers, dangers of a life. So mostly our parents, our grandparents, mostly हमारे दादा दादी नानी, what they say? नमाज़ें पढ़ो, then pray करो, जिससे हमारे सारे dangers जो है, हमारी health जो है वह अच्छी रहती है, हमारे dangers सारे खत्म हो जाते हैं, हमारी health and wealth we all get well in all this. So here bird is also trying to state to us that sincere prayers are always answered. We can get help and strength through prayers. Prayers can save us from perils, dangers. So here he has stated three persons, three famous persons. Okay. Here the first one is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi had perfect faith in prayer. Okay. What was Gandhiji's idea of God? He has made it clear thus. So children, we all know who was Gandhiji. Who was Gandhiji? You don't know. Gandhiji was father of nation, right? He was father of nation. Why was he called father of nation? Yeah, because he led us through freedom. Fine. Through ahimsa. Ahimsa. What is ahimsa? Non-violence. बिना लड़ाई झगड़े के he wanted to have us freedom. So in his book he wrote, in the midst of darkness light persists, in the midst of evil goodness persists, in the midst of truth truth prevails. Therefore God is light, goodness and truth. So he is saying here okay, in the midst of darkness, in the middle of darkness light is there, in the middle of evil goodness is there, in the midst of untruth truth prevails. Therefore God is light, goodness and truth. So the saying of Gandhiji is, जहाँ पे भी अंधेरा है, darkness है, light is there. जहाँ पे evil है, बुराई है, वहाँ goodness is there. जहाँ पे झूठ है, untruth है, वहाँ पे सच्चाई भी है. So God is light, goodness and truth. So here we are having a statement from next thing. Hindus support Vedic Gandhiji's idea. It reads, Lord, lead me from darkness to light. Vedic Hindus की जो book है गीता, in that is being stated के Lord, lead me from darkness to light, from falsehood to truth, from death to immortality. So it's saying के Lord, मुझे बुराई के रास्ते, darkness यानी अंधेरों के रास्ते से रोशनी के रास्ते पर लेकर आओ, मुझे झूठ से सच की तरफ लेकर आओ, मुझे डेथ से हमेशा यादगार रहने वाला इंसान बना. So same way Christians also have faith. Christians also support this idea. For instance, some Christians pray. Amid existing gloom, lead kindly light. Amid the encircling gloom, lead through me on. The night is dark and I am far from home. Lead Tommy on. So it's saying के amid the existing gloom. Existing gloom is, gloom किसे बोलते हैं? Gloom means sadness. Okay, gloom is sadness. Amid the existing gloom, हमें उदासी से निकालकर लाइट की तरफ ले जाओ. हमें हमारे अतराफ जो उदासी है, whatever the sadness we are having, हमें इससे बाहर निकालो. The night is dark and I am far from home. Lord, lead me go on. मैं जो हूँ अंधेरी रात में हूँ. And far from home, मैं मेरे घर से दूर हूँ, बहुत अंधेरे में हूँ. So मुझे इस सारी परेशानियों से इससे सबसे बाहर निकालो. So it was the same light that saved Admiral Byrd. It is the same light that can save us too from all gloomy thoughts, unworthy speed and evil deeds. So here the moral of the story is, it was the same light जो Admiral Byrd को बचाया. It's the same light. So it's the same light that saved Admiral Byrd. जो Admiral Byrd को भी जो flashing light बताई, क्या वो बिजली बचाई? No, the flashlight उनको नहीं बचाई. It's the sign from the God. Okay, so the same sign will even save us. The light can save us too from all the gloomy thoughts, unworthy speed and evil deeds. जब हम अल्लाह ताला से दुआ करते हैं, when we pray, we are too being saved from all these bad things. झूठ से, गुनाह से, darkness से, everything, from every evil thing we can get saved even when we pray to God. So here children, we have done the sayings of Gandhiji. We have finished the saying of Christians. Okay, and we have done the Vedic prayers of Hindus. So in Islam, right? In Islam also we are having same thing, isn't it? We all do remember. Every day in the morning prayer we do it. What's that? Yeah? Okay, so when you come up for the school, I'll ask you the question. You have to tell me कि हमारे कुरान में when it is being told, same statements are also written in which surah? Okay, fine. So stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.